Hello, we are Jens and Marijn from Amaron and we are dedicated to solving the interoperability issues in healthcare. We have spent some time developing a handy tool to help testing FHIR repositories around the world. It's nice to send some data to FHIR repositories, but it's also nice to be able to easily check the data afterwards. We are proud to present Fhindr. When you open Fhindr, the first thing you need to do is to configure a FHIR repository. For now, we will use the public happy FHIR test server without authentication. But we support several other servers and authentication flows like client secret flow, certificate authentication flow, or the authorization code flow. After the configuration of the FHIR repository is successful, you can connect to the FHIR server by clicking the checkbox in the repositories list. You can start exploring the selected FHIR repository by selecting the resource type in the resources list. The first thing that we see when we get a response is a table view that represents the data. This table view is fully customizable by the field selector. For example, when we want to visualize the birth date, we select the birth date element in the field selector tree view, and the birth date will be visualized in the table view straight away. When we double-click a record, we can see the JSON representation of the selected record. If needed, the full JSON view of the response is still available by clicking the JSON View tab. Another nice feature is the support of included resources. For example, if we want to query all the linked resources of a patient resource with logical identifier 1, you can simply see all the linked resources and visualize them when clicking on them. By using the buttons in the top right, we can browse through the pages of our bundle response. When a resource contains a reference, for example the observation resources, you can click on the referenced resource and see the JSON of that specific resource. When more detailed results are required, it is possible to add any valid FHIR query in the query field. When you are not familiar with the FHIR syntax, you can ask an AI bot for some help. You can download Fhindr for free via the Amaron team GitHub page. Thank you for watching and enjoy using Fhindr.